Welcome friends. In this video, we shall talk about a hand yoga pose called as Mahatrik Mudra. This mudra is effective in curing piles, prostate gland problems in men and menstrual irregularities in women. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Mahatrik Mudra. This mudra is formed by both the hands together, and there are two methods or two ways to form this mudra. The first method is that you join tips of both the thumbs, that is thumbs of two hands, join their tips with each other. Then join tips of the little fingers with each other and place them onto the union of the thumbs. As you can see here in the picture, the little fingers are joined and the thumbs are joined and they are all placed together in one single spot. After this, join tips of the ring fingers together with each other and keep them away from the union of thumbs and little fingers. As you can see here, this is the ring finger which are joined and they are kept out of the union of little finger and the thumb. Keep all your other fingers straight and upright and separated as shown in this picture. So the formation or the mudra you will get is called as Mahatrik Mudra. There is a second method to do this mudra. In this method, you are basically changing the spots of ring finger and the little finger compared to the first method. So let's see what are the steps to do this Mahatrik Mudra in second method. To do this, join tips of both the thumbs with each other. Also join tips of the ring fingers with each other and place them onto the union of the thumbs as you can see here in this picture. And then join tips of little fingers together with each other and keep them separate from the union of thumbs and the little fingers. Keep all other fingers straight, upright and separated as you can see here in this picture. Thus, the formation gives you Mahatrik Mudra. Mahatrik Mudra benefits. This mudra benefits organs of lower abdomen such as urinary tract and the reproductive organs. This mudra energizes intestine. It reduces weak intestinal activity and intestinal spasm. This mudra rids our body of constipation. It cures piles. This mudra removes bladder or prostate disorders. It is effective in cases of hemorrhoids or tensions in the anus and gallbladder area. In men, it is effective in curing prostate gland issues. In women, this mudra reduces menstrual irregularities, menstrual pain and cramps. In women, it also reduces menopause-related complications. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are tattva mudras and 5 are pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb's tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic Mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose, for example while sitting, standing, watching TV or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. Two different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.